Today I'm going to show you how to make a corner capstone out of the Allan Block 18-inch contractor caps. So this cap right here has a little design on the bottom half of it right here, and it's made this way for a reason. This part of the block right here is 12 inches over from the edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate this third of the capstone, and we're going to keep this part of it, and we're going to make a capstone that's going to be a square basically out of this stone. So the way that we do that is, since we know this is 12 inches over, we flip over the block, we measure over 12 inches, and over here we mark it on both sides. And we draw a line. Then we take our skill saw here, and what we're trying to achieve is a look like this, but on this side, okay? So if I take this tool here, the speed square, and I measure down from the edge, you can see that this 45 beveled edge right here goes down 5/8 of an inch. So I want my blade to be set 5/8 of an inch down, so that I'm going to cut 5/8 inch down, and then I'm going to break it, and I'm going to have this rough look. So I take my blade here and I set it so that it's 5/8 inches that I'll be cutting. Okay. You need earplugs? Skill saw. Okay, so now I cut my line, and you can see that line is right in line with that line. So I'm going to take my hammer and I'm going to bust this chunk out right here because I don't need it. Then I'm going to take my chisel and I'm going to break along this line right here, and I'm going to try and create a fracture throughout the block. So sometimes the edges are difficult. Now I can flip this block over. Should be able to hit it. And I got that broken face now. Okay? So it looks the same as that broken face. So now I'm going to measure over the same distance this way as the block is this way. So I can see right here that that is 11 1/8 inch. So I'm going to measure over 11 1/8 inch. Draw a line. Do it again. Draw a line. Once again, I'm going to mark the block. Right along that edge. Okay, so now I'm going to take my skill saw and I'm going to kill the power. so I don't cut myself. I'm going to extend the blade back down so I can cut more. And I'm going to turn it 45 degrees right here. It's an old skill saw, so sometimes they need a little bit of love. Got my skill saw at 45 degrees. Got my line marked. Now I'm going to cut it again right along this line, and I'm going to shoot to give it that same beveled edge that we got on this side. Okay, so now we've created a corner capstone. Looks something like that. Set it on the corner of your wall. You don't have to do a joint or have an ugly edge. You got something that looks pretty symmetrical on both sides. Sets like this. Thanks for watching.